Been here for a week. It's been nobody else but us. There's just something about the Pacific Northwest. Up in the mountains. Away from everyone else. Little spots like this one that are lesser known. They're just everywhere. The beauty is amazing. So we're about an hour or so away from La Grande, Oregon, where our trailer was built. Finally taking it in to get our awning arms replaced. We met one of the Dometic engineers at Escapers Bash back in January. He came out and looked at it and determined the failure was a little bit of a mystery. But a freak wind gust came in Ouray, Colorado, bent the arms. Turns out that the struts were too stiff. So the wind, when the wind caught the awning when it was out, instead of collapsing, they stayed rigid and bent the arms. So he said that we shouldn't have had any problems. So they're replacing the arms. We'll have to pay for the labor, but they shipped them to the repair shop so we can get them replaced. They were going to replace them at the Quartzsite Tent Show. The tech saw the work order before we arrived and said, oh yeah, no problem. That should be an easy replacement for them. One Dometic tech that was there is from the Pacific Northwest. He kind of jokingly laughed at the other technicians when they said it would be easy. He said, well, unless it's one RV manufacturer, and the chances of one of those RVs being down here in Arizona is pretty slim. Outdoors RV is the only manufacturer that uses rivets to attach the awning to the side of the trailer. Why they do that instead of lag bolts like everyone else, I don't know. But because of that, they didn't have the rivets or the rest of the equipment required to replace them. So I called Outdoors RV. They said that there's an RV shop just down the road from them that's capable of doing it. So we called them up and scheduled for the next time we'd be up in this area, which is this week. So we're gonna head out there, get the awning replaced. And then there's also another shop in Pendleton that's going to repack our wheel bearings and check the trailer axle alignment.
Straight? Yeah, straight enough.
We're not showing any problems, but just in case, I'd like the tires to last as long as they can. So the awning still works. It's just when you pull it in, it does go up on a bind, and then our baggage door here rubs a little bit. So we've got a little bit of a gouge there. And then the paint's rubbing off there as well. When we do bring the awning in, I have to go up and actually push this in all the way. It won't lock into place. Our Starlink is connecting pretty good, even with all the trees in the way, and that was surprising. The problem what we're having is being in the shade of the trees, our solar isn't doing anything. So we pulled out the generator and to charge the batteries. The problem that we noticed is having a much bigger battery bank. Our converter charger is only charging 30 amps at a time. Our batteries are capable of taking 100 amps. So we have to run the generator for a lot longer to be able to get the batteries charged back up. I have a solution for that, but we're not going to be able to get the parts until a couple more stops down the road. Yeah. Quite a few businesses in this road.